continue with chapter 1. HaShem is in chapter 1, and it was section 2, and we did 2 parts, so let me quickly read the first 2 parts for continuation, and we quickly explain. Okay, so the topic is prohibition of eating non-kosher foods. Punishable transgressions. According to Torah law, one who eats non-kosher food is liable for a punishment or sacrificial atonement only in the following conditions are met. Okay, so actually, yeah, we have to we stop on condition number 3. Okay, so let's see. Condition number 1, Shiur. The required amount. The Torah does not subject one to physical punishment and requires no sacrificial atonement if one eat less than kizayis. Right, so and in parentheses it says olive for a half egg volume, somewhat around 1 fluid ounce. So we said it's 1 fluid ounce. In grams, it's 28 grams. Okay, approximately. Okay, if the prohibited food is one of the drinks, drinks less than revi'is, right? Somewhat more than 3 fluid ounces of prohibition of the prohibited liquids. So quickly, last time we discussed it in details. Just quickly to summarize, in order to be punished by the court, right? For eating prohibited food, person has to eat kizayis, this 1 ounce, or drink revi'is. Revi'is a little more than 3 ounces. Okay, so that's one condition. Second condition, the time span of eating. Similarly, the Torah inflicts no punishment and requires no sacrificial atonement unless one eats the prohibited food within span of time that can constitute 1 act of eating. Sinaitic tradition, the tradition has defined this to be among the time necessary to eat wheat bread that a volume of 3 or 4 eggs. Right? That's how we got just remind us these 8 ounces. Right? But when we discussed on Tuesday, that's 8 ounces meaning 4 eggs, or 3 ounces is more stricter. It's like 6 eggs. 6? No, not 6 eggs. I apologize. 4 eggs. 4 eggs. It's 8 ounces, and 3 eggs is 6 ounces. Okay, sorry. While sitting in the most comfortable manner is called kidei achilas pras. So it's time, kidei achilas pras is the time that it takes to eat this portion of bread, and it's as we discussed last time, it's like normal portion of bread a regular person would eat during his meal. Okay. Halachic authorities assume that approximately 4 or perhaps as much as 9 minutes, right? So, and even though it says we go by 3 to 4 minutes, the most preferable opinion, but if needed, up to 9 minutes. So a person has to eat, right? Similarly, drinking revi'is must be completed in a time span normally required for a revi'is. Okay, and he does not say specifically why, because there are a few opinions, and one of the opinion is actually in few sips. It's, as you understand, 3 ounces is not a lot, right? Unless it's some hot drink like hot coffee or something, or it's or some liquor or something, right? So the 3 ounces is not a lot to drink in a few sips. Right, or there is still another opinion, very strong opinion, also that they go by 3 to 4 minutes also, like you have to finish this 3 ounces. Okay, one who does not consume eating or drinking within the prescribed time is not liable for punishment and need no sacrificial atonement, even though he violated the Torah law. So, was the Torah law violated? Yes, it was violated. Is this person is going to liable in a court? No. Does he have to bring this sacrifice? No. right? But it does not mean the person can cut bacon or something in small pieces and eat every 9 minutes increments. It's not. It's still prohibited, even though it does not adds up. Never, right? Because it's a size plus in a certain time span. Okay, but it's still prohibited.